It's me, Akila. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys what's inside my school backpack. So as you guys can see, mostly my textbook, my workbook, my exercise book, and more books, and more books, and plenty of books inside of bag. Like, yeah, a student have to bring books to school, so definitely bring books, right? And yep, hmm some more books. I don't know, it's kind of weird recording this, but it's okay. I'm cool, I'm good. And now you guys can see my spectacles, where I always bring to school. If I don't want to wear my spec, I will put inside of the box. I mean the bag, the mini bag of spec. Yeah, and that's my spec. Wow, my hand is totally weird. I should love this, but it's okay. We're not talking about trying not to lash or whatever. Okay, so the next one, I'm going to let you guys see, which is my pocket bag, which is I bought it at Buff and Body Works, and I really love that scent. It's like, is it Maui? Something like that. Okay. The next part, I'm going to show you guys where I always put my pencil case and my another backup space. I mean, pace case. Okay. So this one I bought it at Typo, and mostly is a supplement of pens, pencil, highlight, ruler. So this pencil case is where I always wear when I need them. I always use them when I want to write some stuff, like, doing school works. Yeah, without my pencil pen, I am so nothing, to be honest. Yep. Yep. You guys can see over there, which is my highlights below, my pens, my pencil pen, another highlight, and then I have two ruler, which is the one that flexible ruler, and another correction tape, and a red pen, and pens and pens and pens. Yep, I am so done. Another highlight. Yep. So the next part, I'm going to show you guys my backup pencil case. So in this backup pencil case, where you guys can see more highlight and mechanical pencil and my notepad and my calculator and my glue stick and my geometry case and some extra geometry and some ink and some stapler. That's what's inside my backup pencil case. But yeah, so I've done in that section. Let's move on to the next one. So the next one, you guys can see, which is the third zip, where I always put my pocket tissues, because I'm like, I sneeze like 24/7, and yeah, gotta bring extra, because some people need them, especially me. And the smallest zip, or the last zip, which is nothing. There's nothing there. I don't even know why I record that part. But that's how it does. And now I'm going to show you guys my tote bag. What's inside my tote bag? So this tote bag, I bought it at Carsol like 2 months ago, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm going to show you guys what's inside that. Okay, so that one is like a file bag, I think so. So what's inside that, which is I always put inside my exercise book, my puncher, sometimes if I bring my file, and my exercise book, and my poem book, and my rule book, and my patriotic book. Yep. And more book. Just more books. Nothing suspicious at all. Nothing's in there except books. I cannot believe that I'm repeating the same thing. Oh my god, this is so cringe, but never mind. So the next part, I'm going to show you guys my big file, my big file. So this file has been with me since I was Form 2, and if I'm not so lazy, I will bring it to school. If I'm lazy, I'm just not gonna bring it. Yep, because it's like only notes inside that file. Notes, exercise, notes, revision, study, blah blah blah. Some teacher notes and some supplement notes. I don't know. Yes, that's my work. Pinagan and more notes. That note is the last year one. I don't know why I still have it. Yep. Just more notes. in some test pad. So that's only for today's video. Make sure to give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Okay? See y'all in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Mwah.